This is our tail pieces flush wheel polishing machine for normal zipper teeth surface polishing. Okay, this is your order. Now we are checking your order. So, and connected the zipper from your side already. Now we will operate this machine and show you the machine working situation. Now our technician operated the machine. Look at the zipper is coming from here. See the connector. The zipper is coming inside already. So this part is for placing, and this part is for clearing the teeth side. I mean the polishing the teeth side. Okay, and this is the second type placing. And zipper come inside here already. And come out from here. Okay, now let's open the window and see the inside working situation. Okay, you see, inside have a tail pieces polishing wheel with 3 quite of size. 4 pieces wheel, the wire diameter is 0.20 mm. 4 pieces wheel size is 0.15 mm. And another 4 pieces wheel is 0.12 mm. So after polishing, you can see the result is very good. It's very shining. And this side without polishing. And this side after polishing. Later we will show you the result. Okay, look at here.